It's time to warm up. Let's start with a punch. Take it down to the center and throw. Down, punch, center.
Tell my side of some movie.
Down.
Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. I'm about my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your back, she a groupie. She just throw all my kids in a two-seat.
Sit.
Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out.
I almost forgot that move, but it's okay.
42, I'm blowing her back out.
Switch,
I'm
side, sit.
Swim back with a full clip. They say I'm moving ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take it, they
Side to side, shoulders now.
I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she give it. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another
Get
song.
low.
Ice in the VVs, now she down to get treachy.
Lower.
I got all this water on me like
Yes.
Fiji. I'm posted up with hats and the sleazy.
Shoulders up,
Smoking
round.
the Zaza, they go straight to the mata.
Hit
Then
that
I'm
beat
up in the
now.
chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his lata.
One
Then
more
I'm kissing my
time,
chata.
harder.
Zaza, they go straight to the mata. And I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Then I'm open his lata.
Punch it down, go.
Whoopty.
Hey.
Tell my side of some movie.
Punch.
Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper
Pretend
like
that you're
blue sleep.
punching
I'm about my chicken
2020.
like it's a two-piece. You can have your back, she a groupie. She just throw all my kids in a two-seat.
Sit down.
Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her
Switch
back
sides
out.
now,
I'm
go,
back out.
yes.
Spin back with a full clip. They say I'm moving ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take it, they roof Chris.
Breathe it up. Down. 2 more breaths. Shoulders up, round. Hit that beat. It's been such a bad beat. Oh.
Well, that song just whooptied my butt. If you want to watch the official video, click right here. If you want to keep dancing with us, we do 60-minute sweat sessions every single week. You can click right here. And also, we just launched a brand new Spotify playlist. It's Workout by The Fitness Marshall. You can find it on Spotify. The link is below.